in the heap memory at runtime. So objects are object references. Then our location of the object, how can you see? Using ID function. Next, how do you pass by object reference? Using some program. See, this is inside modify function. So here we are, x value is 10, x value is 15. So outside x value is equals to 10, right? So then, so how do you display? How do you write this program? So inside is 15, outside is 10. So here we are passing an integer to a function. So define modify of x colon. So modify you want to write or modify the program x colon. We can write x is equals to 15. So the x value will be assigned as 15. Right? So then print x comma id of x. id of x means where your x will be storing the address of that id, where it can be stored. Then call modify and pass function, pass x. X is equals to 10. The previous x is equals to 15. Now x is equals to 10. Right? Then modify of x. Now again come back that x is equals to previous 15. 15 will be replaced to 10. So that is already displayed. So again next this program. So this is what the advantage of writing a function. Again another calling function. So modify x. X will be replaced. Previous 15. 15 will be replaced. 10 will be occupied. Then it will shows 10 comma where it is stored a 10 variable. That is will be displayed on your screen. Right? So how can I pass? I can show you this program also into this one. Now definition function x comma 15 print id x comma id, call modify function and pass x. So x is equals to 10, modify of x, print function. Now see now 15. So the address is 140766421164368. So then another one is 1407646116428. The difference is lot of. First one is 368, second one is 208. The difference is 150 60 differences in between, right? The randomly generating where they are stored. We don't have storing. Understand? Please make a note. Please make a note. Note down, please. Any more doubts? Understand each and every parameter? If you have any doubts, let me ask.
doubts
Right, Amma? Completed, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Completed, Amma? Right. Okay. Now, functions pass by object references. The another model. So previous, we are only for values. Now, you pass the list of a function, list to a function and modify it. So list of values. I can store list of values. So how can you modify? See, define, modify, list, LST. Then LST is equals to 10, 11, 12. We can assign print LST ID of LST. So where we have stored that LST ID. So where exactly? The stored. So that's what. Call, modify and pass LST. Then LST is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Modify LST. So first one is 10, 11, 12. The second one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then modify LST. So LST comma ID of LST. Where this LST is stored, the where previous LST stored. So two LSTs are stored, different IDs. So how they are stored? Now see, define, modify LST. Modify is your list LST name. I mean function name. LST is equals to 10, 15, 11, 20, 12. Next print LST ID comma this one, modify and pass LST. So LST is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then modify. See now, first LST stored somewhere 10, 11, 12. So 2157 560 3944. Where it is exactly? 443624. Next, another one is 215760 3944712. So the difference is nearly the 1000 different, right? So this is what we are using using list operations in functions. Please note down. Note down, please. Right, Amma? Okay, Nana. Yes. These two lists will allocate randomly in the memory because I told you. See, for example, so you are using railway ticket. You are taking railway ticket. First railway ticket you are taking, again another railway ticket you want to put. So maybe both are two different bogies will be allocated or same bogie allocated. Maybe or may not be. Maybe or may not be, because randomly that automatically generates, that system will generate automatically. So here also the heap memory address is stored or referenced. So where in the memory location. Understand? Where in the memory location? Please try to understand. Not nearby. Okay, Amma? Right.
Okay, sir.
Any more doubts? Okay, can I continue? Right. Okay. Now, see, that is what inside the modify function. This one, this is the address. The next LSD outside the function 1, 2, 3, 4 outside the function. Then this is heap memory. This memory is called as heap, temporary storage area. Now, if altogether a new object inside a function is created, then it will not be available outside the function. Please make a note. So if altogether a new object inside a function is created, then it will not be available in the